In this video, I'm going to show you how to import passwords from Chrome to Bitwarden. So the first thing you want to do here inside Bitwarden, you want to go to the left-hand side, and then you want to click on Tools, and then inside Tools, you want to go to Import. Now inside Import, you first want to select your destination, so I'm going to put those in my vault over here, and then you can select a folder if you have one. I do have it, so I'm going to click on over here, and then you can go ahead and select your data. Now the file format over here should be when you click on it, and then you should select Chrome, and then here of course you have detailed instructions. However, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. It's very simple. If you are on Chrome already, you want to go to the top right and you want to click on those three dots. But if you're not, just open up Chrome and click on over here, and then you want to go to Passwords and Autofill and click on Google Password Manager. In here, you'll be able to see all your saved passwords. Go to Settings over here on the left, and then here it says Export Passwords. You have to click on Download File, and then you have to put in your password over here, and then you can just click on OK. And when you do that over here, you'll be able to then basically save it onto your computer. So I'm just going to save it inside my downloads folder here, and I'm going to click on save. And now this is a CSV file you have saved onto your computer. When you've done that, go back over here inside Bitwarden, and then here you have to select your file. Just click on choose file, click on the one you have over here that you've downloaded, and click on open. And then after that, you can click on import over here. And what this is going to do here, as you can see, it's going to import all your accounts in here, and it's going to say basically the total amount of logins you've successfully imported and then the amount of folders you've imported in. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.